Today I am going to be off to a videography shoot. I will be travelling on the trains Saturday. First of all, I've got some painkillers. I haven't actually met the clients yet, so, you know. Now, I'll be honest, normally I script these videos pretty much word for word, but today I'm just gonna sort of wing it, basically explain the use and reason why I take each bit of kit with me. So let's get started. So I wanted something that is compact and light, something that I could take on public transport if need be. And tomorrow I will be travelling on the trains, sadly. It all starts with this Pelican case I bought from Amazon. It's about 55 by 34 by 24 centimetres. So it's not the largest case in the world. And to be honest, if I was to buy another one, I would get a larger size. Everything fits in okay, but it is a little bit tight. So I definitely get a larger case if I had to shop for another Pelican case. It's watertight and it has pre-cut foam pieces, so you know you can tear those out and kind of customize the interior of the case to snugly fit all your gear in. Oh, and by the way, every bit of equipment and gear that you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Next, we have the camera bodies that I'm going to be using. So this consists of a Blackmagic Pocket cinema camera, and then I also have my Sony a7 III as well. You can see that around the Blackmagic Pocket I've got a small rig cage. This just really allows for plenty of mounting options if I want to customize the rig during the shoot. In terms of lenses, I've got my old faithful Tamron 24-70 f2.8 VC. The things that I like about this lens is that it is a constant aperture right throughout the zoom range, and it has image stabilization, which I think VC stands for vibration compensation, though I could be wrong, but it's basically the same as Canon's IS, as well as the 50mm f1.8, because it's so small I might as well throw that in the bag as well. The Sony body is there as sort of a backup camera, but also to do photography. I'm not too sure yet on what exactly I'll be doing. It's kind of just how it goes, but that is in there nonetheless. Another thing to note is that I also have a battery grip on that Sony a7 III too. Cables, lots and lots of cables. So I've got some SSD cables, so that's USB-C to USB-C. Got a couple of those. I've got the detabbed Blackmagic or the V-mount batteries, as well as a few other cables for microphones. Got some 3.5 to 3.5 and backups of everything as well. So I've basically got ×2 of everything. Next is the rail system or the rod system. This is just 15mm rods that are in a base plate. And I've also got my tripod plate sort of permanently attached to that, so I can hopefully throw everything together pretty quickly. The microphone, so I've just got a little stand in for today. This is a micro. I normally have a Rode NTG4, but I'm actually using it to record this video right now, so that usually goes in here as well. If I'm going on a shoot where I do need to worry about audio as well, I have a separate case that is just for audio, where I have my zoom, my XLR cables, all of my modifiers for the microphones. So let me know if you'd like to see a future video perhaps on that. Audio is not something I have to worry about for today, so we're just sticking with the camera gear. Now I'm going to be using V-mount batteries to power the Blackmagic. These will be attached to the rail system. And I've also got a little V-mount attachment and 15mm rail adapters to fix the V-mount battery on those 15mm rods. Now I've got got one V-mount battery here, but I'm going to be bringing a couple more with me in a second case that has my laptop, my other adapters, other loose things, and so on. But the whole idea of this case is that I can just kind of, if need be, bring this one case along with me, and everything in that case will get me to a full working rig, and I hopefully won't need anything else. But just as a side note, I will be bringing other batteries and equipment along with me. I have a little cutout here for SSDs, and I use those Samsung SSD drives to record straight to from the Blackmagic. These are great. I've never had one fail on me yet, touch wood, so I will be bringing a couple of those along with me as well. Finally, we have all of the nuts, screws, screwdrivers, and Allen keys that I keep in these plastic bags, I guess. And with that is about everything that I keep in this Pelican case. Now, as I said before, I am going to be bringing along some other stuff. So I have my heavy duty tripod that I'm going to be bringing with me. That goes in a bag I'm just going to sling over me. I'm also going to be bringing my Aperture 120D along with the light dome softbox, and I've got a way of basically carrying that strapped to the Pelican case. Another nice thing about this Pelican case is that it has wheels and a handle like a suitcase, so that's a nice touch. If you have any questions or suggestions for me about what I take on a low-key videography shoot, then please do leave those in the comment section below. Hello everybody, how's it going? If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a like. It really does help to beat the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of the content being released on this channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.